Alright, this is my 2005 Highlander Limited, and my shifter light went out here, and I was looking online, I couldn't find a good video. Basically, I got one of these tools, you know, they come like in a kit with all those tools off of Amazon for cheap. I started working under here first, and then these top two started popping. And I just took the tool and I worked it down the sides, and then I think I just felt this thing. Yeah, it's just there. Alright, so I just got this sitting up on top of the shifter, everything connected here. Still got heated seats and airbag and cigarette thing. I just lifted it, you know, through the middle. Now you gotta get this black thing off. So it's kind of hard to film this, but basically, right in there, try to hold it with my mouth. Here, here, and then on the other side, there's a little. I already did this side, but you gotta pry those tabs right there to release this black cover. Alright, so I got all the tabs on the four corners of this black cover unsnapped with my little flathead screwdriver. So now this is loose. Now, I was told there's some kind of light down on the left here. I see something that, oh, right there perhaps. Yeah, that looks like a light. Right there, look at that green wire. Let's see. Yeah, that's it right there, with the green wire kind of right below that black circle in the plastic. I'll see if I can get this on video. With, I'm just gonna grab it. Yeah, I had to twist it counterclockwise. Alright, I can't do this with camera and flashlight, so hold on. So there it is. It's got that little green cap on it. Now I'm going to grab my new light. I got an LED bulb. I'll tell you what kind it is just a sec. So after you twist this out of there, you just pull that bulb out. It's just got a little green cover on it, and there's my new replacement bulb. So I gotta grab that thing before it falls back in there and put this little LED bulb in. So before I put everything back together, popped it in there. It looks like it was polarity specific, at least the kind that I had, because I had it in wrong and it initially wasn't on. But maybe I'll see if I can get this cigarette lighter one too while I'm in here. Alright, I got it all buttoned back up. Really you only need 3 tools. You need something like this. This was super helpful to get along all the edges. And then flat blade screwdriver to get the 4 tabs off in each corner. I have this little like forceps thing to get in there and grab the little socket to twist it. Otherwise you could use needle nose pliers or something. You just got to be kind of delicate. Another thing that I thought was kind of dumb of me, but this whole thing just pops out of there. So I didn't know that. I just got this car a couple weeks ago. So, but anyways, moment of truth. Let's turn the lights on. Look at that beautiful LED-ified shifter lights. So it's great. I'm sure those other ones work. All right, that's it.